Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree, where we demystify math problems for you step by step. In this video, we have an AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of polynomial functions and end behavior. Let's solve it together. The function z of x equals x to the power of 4 minus 6x squared plus 9. What is the end behavior of z? Let's recall that the end behavior of a polynomial function is influenced primarily by the term with the highest degree, which in this case is x to the power of 4. Now let's understand how the leading term, x to the power of 4, dictates the behavior of the function z as x approaches the positive infinity and the negative infinity. So x to the power of 4, when I put a positive value for x and to the power of 4, it's going to turn into positive. When I put negative for the x, the result is still going to be positive because the exponent is even number. So this means that as x approaches the positive infinity, the function z approaches the positive infinity, and as x approaches the negative infinity, the function still leads into positive infinity, approaches to positive infinity. And therefore, the correct answer for this question is choice A. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.